Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and biometrics. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find encryption and credentials, and here scroll to the bottom again. Here we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully, and be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credential storage in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.